Toyota has unveiled the all-new Prius for the first time globally, with series parallel hybrid models to launch in winter this year and plug-in hybrid models to launch in spring 2023. The new Prius PHEV comes with Toyota's first 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid system to deliver acceleration and quietness that are dramatically improved from the previous model. The combination of a high-efficiency dynamic force engine and lithium-ion batteries for high-output drive achieve maximum system output of as much as 164 kilowatts or 223 horsepower while maintaining the same level of fuel efficiency as the previous model. This version has outstanding dynamic performance with the powerful acceleration of a PHEV, achieving 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.7 seconds. The HEV version of the new Prius employs the latest series parallel hybrid system. It offers satisfying acceleration and responsive driving in a car that reacts as expected while maintaining the same level of fuel efficiency as the previous model. Maximum system output is 193 horsepower for the 2.0-liter version, which is 1.6 times higher than the previous model.